Basic amenities kit is what every property needs and will help them to win the hearts and minds of the guests. These amenities are one main factor that contribute to guest satisfaction in hotels and resorts. Toiletries are amenities specifically for personal hygiene and cosmetics. Considering environmental protection has become a growing worldwide concern, many hoteliers have actively participated in managing and operating hotels in an eco-friendly manner. EzyCo Amenity Kits is a toiletries kit consists of Dipro stick soap, in-shell coffee scrub and Easy Soothe balm. All the items in these kits are easy to use, eco-sustainable, made from green material, and in convenient packaging. Also, the kit has been recorded in the Register of Copyright under the Copyright Act 1987, Act 332. EzyCo Amenity Kits is invented where to make it unique and useful in helping the guest during staycation. The objective of this innovation is to produce stick soap, which fast cleaning and easy carry, capsulated scrub, with its zero-waste packaging, and soothing balm, which gives a moisturizing effect even in small sizes. Dipro stick soap is produced as new approach in cleaning that focusing in removal of protein stain on fabric and formulated from environmentally friendly material. A novel Dipro stick in stick form focusing on protein cleansing where can apply directly on stain without water medium and minimize the washing area. In-shell coffee scrub is where the coffee scrub is encapsulated with water-soluble capsule while maintain its functions as deep and gentle exfoliator along with hydrating and tightening the skin. It can be applied on skin by simply take 1 to 2 pieces of it, then rub it with water to spread out the scrub. The small size and pieces make it more effective on its mobility and dosage of use with a promising zero waste. Easy Soothe Balm is balm that helps soothe sensitive skin formulated from shea butter and coconut butter. This Easy Soothe Balm is a rich, non-greasy lotion intended for dry or sensitive skin. Also, this balm can protect and moisturizes dry, cracked, and flaking skin. This balm is in small size, convenient packaging, and easy to use by simply twist up without applying with finger. The cooling sensation can last about 10 minutes or less, which great for soothing itchy or painful skin. EzyCo Amenity Kits is innovated to reduce time of usage, easy to use and to carry. Also not only can give consumer satisfaction with their vacations even more but also can protect the nature and natural resources by reduction of packaging waste of the product.